Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and Qayyum is not cooking today. So what I'm doing is I turn my chair upside down on my kitchen table, unscrewed the frame, and I'm going to change the fabric. Take the seat of the chair and put the frame away. Now spread the new fabric upside down on the table. Put the seat back on and make sure you have enough fabric to go around all four corners of the seat. If you want it at this point, take the old fabric off the seat, that's good, but mine is not dirty, it's just worn off, so and one extra layer is not gonna hurt me, so I'm just gonna cover it with another fabric, a new one. There you go. You're gonna need a marker so you can mark wherever you are going to put the glue. Okay, so this one is done. Later on I will show you how to do the corners, but this is good now. I just use the hot glue to hold the fabric in place, and then I'm going to put the frame back on and screw it back on the seat. There you go. Alrighty. Okay, so these are the 3 screws that I took out from the frame, and you keep them somewhere where you can find them. And this one is done. See how I did the corners? I'm going to use the hot glue and pull the cloth from all 4 sides, and step by step I'm going to glue this fabric in place, and here we go. No wrinkles. That's good. That's good. Okay, so for this one I just want to make sure all the nuts and bolts are in place, because you don't want somebody to come over, pull the chair and sit down and fall. So see, one of my nut and bolt is missing. I don't even know what happened to it. Yeah, so tight, nice and tight, nice and tight. Check all of them. I'm worried about this leg, so I have to find that nut and bolt and put it back in again, back to the seat. Alrighty, so this is the old fabric. This is where I have the hole. I'm going to keep this here or put a mark on it so I don't forget. Okay, I call those plates, or you can call them folds or layers. So I'm folding it and pulling it. In every fold, layer or plate, I'm going to use some hot glue to secure it. One at a time. This is where the hole is for the screw. X marks the spot so I can remember. All right, there you go. Before I used to use the very strong thread and a big needle to hold the fabric together, but now I'm just gonna go with the hot glue, layer by layer, fold by fold. There you go. So this is how you make the corner. You pull it as much as you can, and then you put the hot glue in every layer, and there you go. See? Alrighty, that's done. That's done. Okay, so you have to make sure all 4 corners are done the same way. I'm not showing you my glue gun because I'm not using it right now. In this one, it's not working properly, so what I'm doing is I'm using my hot glue sticks with a little torch, but I'm not going to show it to you because if somebody tries to copy, they can hurt themselves. I hope not. So that's why I'm not showing my glue gun. There you go. Yeah, you see my hot glue sticks over there. All right, one little dab here, and my torch is showing. That little torch over there is a big girl's toy. Little girls can't play with it. All right, this is done. This is done. Okay, this corner looks a little bit more pulling over there. Okay, let's put the screws back in exactly where the X is. Okay, 2 and 3. So let's put it back together. Make sure you put enough pressures because it has to go through the fabric all the way inside the seat to secure it. Alrighty, this side I will try to do as best as I can. Well, the guys don't do it, so whatever my hands can do. There you go. 2 down, 2 more to go. Yeah, that's good. Looks good. Okay. Those are my little toys. Screwdrivers, hot glue, and that's about it. Yep. There you go. See you later. Bye-bye.